In this video, I'm gonna share all the success stories you guys have sent me. Hi you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyotsna, and in today's video, I am actually very excited and very happy because I'm gonna share success stories that you guys have shared with me. The reason why I'm so happy is who doesn't love a success story? Any single time, either I get a client success story or I see a positive comment in any of my videos saying I manifested my job, I manifested my SP back, I manifested clear skin, whatever the comment is, it automatically puts me in such a good state and it gives me so much positive energy. Your comments, your emails, all the success stories you guys share with me is my inspiration and truly the purpose for why I have a YouTube channel and why I make videos consistently, daily, every day. So anyway, starting off with the success stories, I am going to share and read out some of the success stories from my phone that you guys have either emailed me or you have shared it in my YouTube comments. So this is just going to be like your motivation and you can say your boost of inspiration to just continue and keep persisting, whether it's robotic affirmations you're doing, whether it is you're trying to visualize, or whether you're just using the basic law of assumption principles. So anyway, a lot of you guys requested me to do like success stories related to dream job or career. So that is what I'm going to be reading out today. So I will read out a few emails as well as comments related to dream job that you guys have sent me. So let's get started. Okay, so this is from one of my coaching clients who is Pooja, and Pooja has been my monthly coaching client, I believe, for 2 months now because she was really struggling to get a job. So what she shared is, "Hi Jyotsna, how are you doing? I just wanted to give you a quick update. I finally got the dream job. I'm finally placed at Accenture. I honestly can't believe it. I am so happy right now. The Joe Dispenza method you recommended really helped a lot." So Joe Dispenza's method is basically elevated emotions versus intentions. He mentions this in his book. I talked in detail about this in my Manifest Instantly course. So when I had my 1:1 coaching call with her, I explained the entire method to her in our 1 hour call. So you can check out Joe Dispenza's book or you can check out my course where I go into this in detail. But anyway, continuing, I actually committed to it. I watched my page, set my intention, and did the quantum jumping meditation for 5 days straight. I now have the offer letter in my inbox. Looking back, I don't even know why I let those limiting beliefs get to me. Deep down, I knew I cleared all the rounds and that I truly deserved this job. See, she already knows deep down that she cleared all the rounds. It was just that she was waiting for her result. And that is when a lot of people get limiting beliefs. That is when a lot of people hold a lot of resistance, doubt. They'll start self-doubting themselves. They'll start self-sabotaging it, saying, "Oh, I don't deserve this," or "I'm not supposed to be getting this so easily." So that's when you have to honestly be the most powerful. You have to be in control of your thoughts, have to be positive no matter what. So the only thing holding me back was that doubt because they took forever to announce the results. But now that I've got it, I can honestly say the meditation helped me so much. It calmed my nervous system just like you mentioned. A huge thank you for all the pep talks you gave me along the way. You're like my big sister. It honestly supported me more than you know. I know it's not easy to sit with someone and listen to them complain for 1 hour, but you were so patient with me and I'm really grateful. Guys, honestly, I feel so happy and so energized after every coaching call that I do because the second I motivate you guys and I tell you guys that you have it, you've got this, don't give up, it automatically gives me inspiration too because I can see the shift in energy. I can see the shift in the way of thinking as soon as I say all these words. So yeah, words are very powerful. I know words are energetic. So I am just happy that I am lucky and grateful that I get to give you those words and that boost of positivity or confidence that you need. So don't worry if you think it's a 1 hour call. I am so grateful that you gave me that opportunity to let me be like your big sister. And I'm so grateful you consider me your big sister. So anyway, Pooja did the quantum jumping meditation along with the Joe Dispenza method in order to manifest her dream job. So the reason why it took so much time for Pooja is because she had a lot of limiting beliefs that we had to work on. So I really had to, help her reprogram and start thinking thoughts in her favor. She always felt very anxious. She always felt she wasn't good enough or she wasn't deserving enough. So in a way, unconsciously or subconsciously, she was kind of self-sabotaging her own interview experience. Like she would clear all the rounds and when it comes to the final round, she would get so worried, anxious, and she would think, how can it be so easy? I don't think I'll get selected. And those limiting beliefs obviously triggered, and that is what got her a lot of rejections. So as soon as she applied all the methods, all the suggestions I gave her, whether it was doing the meditation, whether it was following the action plan I gave her through my coaching calls, she was able to sort of let go of those limiting beliefs and just trust herself more. The more you surrender to the universe, you let go of this control and you let go of what others are going to think, and you just do what you have to do. That is when you will start seeing the magic. Okay, moving on to the next success story. Okay, so this is another email, and this is from Anushka. So Anushka says, "Hi Jyotsna, I hope you're doing well. In fact, I'm sure you are. I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you. About a week ago, your video titled How I Manifested My Dream Job randomly popped up on my YouTube feed, and I'm so glad it did. Here's a quick version of my story. I had applied to 63 jobs, was rejected by 7, and did receive one offer, but the work culture and pay were far from ideal, so I turned it down. From December to July, I kept applying relentlessly, but the one constant through that period was my negative mindset. Everything started shifting after I watched your video." That is so sweet. Thank you. "I began researching manifestation more deeply, practiced letter scripting, and did robotic affirmations daily. A few days later, I got a new opportunity, but this time my mindset was completely different. Calm, positive, and certain. After 5 rounds of interviews, I finally received the offer with the pay, role, and culture I had always hoped for. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you, Jyotsna. Your video sparked a turning point for me, and I'm so grateful for the work you do to uplift people like me." Anushka is not actually my coaching client, she's my viewer, but she took the time and effort to drop an email to me. Thank you so much, Anushka. It truly, truly means a lot to me. I actually replied to her and she did share the template. I am going to put a screenshot of the template here. In case you want to practice what Anushka did, you can do the same thing. This is a scripting technique she did along with the robotic affirmations that I mentioned in my YouTube videos. In case you want to just revisit and see my videos again, or if you're new to the channel and you haven't seen my videos, I will link all the dream job related videos in the description box below. I will also link my Get That Dream Job workbook and my meditation tape. So if at all you want to check out any of those, just go to the description. It'll make it easier for you. Thank you so much, Anushka, for sharing your story. It truly, truly means a lot, and I'm sure a lot of people are inspired with your story. We're going on to the YouTube comments. The first one that I got is, "I literally can't believe it. I got the job after a week. Your tips helped so much. I am so thankful to the universe for showing me your video." You guys, all the tips that I mentioned in my YouTube channel are literally, realistically, practically the only things that I did in order to manifest my dream job. Believing that my thoughts create things, my thoughts have energy, so I just have to think good thoughts. I just have to think thoughts in my favor in order to get whatever I want. That is what I do. And a lot of people DM me asking me, "Did you really get a job in 3 days?" Yes, I did get a job in 3 days. I did not make that video just to go viral, or it wasn't a clickbait video or anything like that. I genuinely got a job in 3 days, and that is when I decided that my true purpose in life is to help people and to inspire people. That is what I feel I'm called to do. I don't know how to tell you this, but it's an intuition where I just feel like helping people, I just feel like supporting people, and I just want to build a community. So that's truly the reason why I put out all these videos on YouTube, and I'm just glad that the right people found it. So thank you so much for your lovely comments. Please note that whatever comment you're leaving, it actually makes me so happy. It makes me smile. So whenever you're leaving a comment, just know that I'm super grateful for that and I'm super happy. The next is, I saw this video the very next day of my interview and I manifested the appointment letter. Finally, after 1 week, I got it. Another thing I manifested was the first sale in my business, and I got 2 sales on the first day. This looks unreal. Cannot express my feelings of how grateful I am. Thank you so much for the video, Dee. Thank you so much for leaving such a sweet comment. I'm so happy that it's not just your appointment letter, but also sales. I do want to tell you guys that I have increased my sales too, whether it is with my workbook, whether it is with my course, whatever it is. I now have an online business. I can't even believe I'm saying that, but I actually have an online business where I am making sales too. So the law of assumption doesn't have to specifically work or give you success only in one area of your life, that is your dream job or your career only. It can be used in all areas of your life. It can be used for your online business. It can be used in order to see your sales skyrocket. It can be used in order to, manifest good friends or build a good community or have a really good relationship. Law of assumption can be used in all areas of your life. Okay, the next one is, I got 2 offer letters within 3 days. The process is really quick and the interview is very short. And yeah, finally, it's like a dream. Thank you so much for leaving that. And it is so cool that you got 2 offer letters within 3 days. I mean, that's a flex, honestly. So the next comment is, with your method, I got the job in 2 days. Oh my god, I'm so grateful. I can't believe it, honestly. They literally skipped the interview and hired me immediately because my assessment test outperformed everyone. I am shook and I'm convinced it was because of your video, no joke. I am not even kidding. There have been so many times where people have just been lucky, whether it's with interview process, whether it's with getting hired, with just one round or with just one assessment test, like it happened with Roderick. Like, it happens with so many people like that. This is also something that is kind of popular in the manifestation world. It is the lucky girl syndrome, where you just assume you were just lucky. It doesn't have to be like a girl assuming only, it can be anyone. You just assume you're lucky. Blessings are always coming in your way. Like, you are a miracle magnet, you're a magnet to miracles only. If you just assume these things, automatically it puts you in such positive energy and in such high frequency that you will get those opportunities. You might get hired instantly, or your interview process could be so easy that you'll actually be surprised and shocked. Like, how can it be so easy? Like, miracles like that can happen. If you truly believe it can happen to you, it will happen. The next one is, this method really works. I was also so desperate to get a job back in 2024, and I came across this video and started doing the scripting method. Along with it, I also chanted Hanuman Chalisa in August 2024, and in September 2024, I got the job. Thank you, Jyotsna. I know so many people who, along with scripting, also believe in their God. So like this person has mentioned Hanuman Chalisa. Hanuman Chalisa is so powerful, you guys, so powerful. I remember there were days when I felt really hopeless and I would just chant Hanuman Chalisa. Of course, I'm not trying to preach religion or asking you to believe in God or anything like that. It is completely your choice. But since I do identify myself as a Hindu girl, I did see the magical powers of Hanuman Chalisa. So that's the reason I just thought that whoever highlighted this, I should highlight this too. I have another friend who used to wake up at 3 a.m. in the morning every Tuesday, just recite Hanuman Chalisa, and he has also seen a lot of like massive success, whether it was getting his dream job, whether it was moving to a new country. He shares a lot of stories about that. So yeah, it doesn't have to be just Hanuman Chalisa. You could have your own specific prayer, whether it's just praying to the universe, praying to your favorite god, or just writing it down, or just surrendering to the universe. Any process like that just keeps you very grounded and gives you a lot of positivity. You should do that, combine that with scripting, and you will see miracles happen. Okay, the next success story is, hey Jyotsna, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to you. After following the robotic affirmation and scripting techniques, my wish came true. I got selected and received my offer letter. I'm truly overjoyed. I made it a habit to affirm as soon as I woke up and before going to bed. Before my interview, I kept repeating, I am now officially an employee of, and the company I got selected for, and it worked like magic. Thank you so much for your guidance and support. Robotic affirmations works so well for so many people, just because you are training your mind to believe that this is already your reality and it is a true fact about your life. It doesn't matter how you are emotionally. It doesn't matter how your circumstances or situations are. That is what I personally use as well. I affirm for things as if those are true facts about my life. Just like how I know my hair is black, like that is a true fact about my life. It's the same manner I would affirm for anything I want. So that is why the more consistent you are with robotic affirmations, you will see the results. The next one is, I have cleared the nursing exam with a good rank and got admission in AIMS. Me and my family are so happy we finally did it. So again, like I mentioned, it doesn't have to be just dream job. You can manifest that dream score that you want, that dream college that you want. You can get anything you want. I have specific videos for those as well on my channel. You can check that out. Okay, there was another person who actually left me a message, which was, hi, I recently came across your channel while searching for affirmation success stories, and your video was the very first one that popped up. I don't usually subscribe to channels, but I instantly subscribed to yours because it gave me such positive energy. Thank you so much. That means a lot. Lately, I've been feeling a little down, but watching your videos truly lifted my mood. I really appreciate the work you're doing. There are many channels on the law of attraction, but yours has such a unique and genuine vibe that made me connect right away. If you ever feel like stopping, I hope you come back and reread this message as a reminder of the impact you're making. So sweet. Thank you so much. As you guys know, I do read all your messages because I love reading success stories from you guys. It inspires me to make more videos. I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm actually posting consistently on YouTube now. And the reason is you guys leaving such positive messages is what uplifts me instantly. That is when I feel like, okay, I need to post more videos because I know I am making an impact and I want to continue inspiring you all. You guys inspire me every single day. Whatever success story you're leaving, you are inspiring me. Please remember that. Okay, literally, I'm not joking or simply commenting, guys. This technique worked. Thank you so much, girl. I manifest. Thank you, universe. Thank you so much. This is so sweet. I'm so happy that it helped you. Thank you so much for leaving this comment. It truly means a lot, and I'm sure everyone watching this video is super inspired by your comment. Thanks for the workbook. It's perfect. A lot of you guys have left a lot of testimonials on the workbook. In case you haven't left one yet and you've purchased my workbook, please do leave a testimonial. It'll help a lot of people. So you can purchase my Get That Dream Job workbook from Topmate or Stan Store. It's available in both the sites. The next comment is, I tried your technique and your script, modified it for my job, and I got the job with 80% hike. Thank you so much for your insight. You can always modify the script based on your current circumstances. I know not everyone is looking for a job. I know some people want a specific hike. I know some people are in a specific situation with their boss or with their manager. Yes, you can script and change and alter whatever problem or situation you are in. You don't have to follow just the dream job script. You can modify it and make it the way you want to. Okay, I'll end with this email. This is one of my emails from my coaching client. She says, hi Jyotsna, I hope you're doing well. Just wanted to share an update with you. I've recently got a job at Top Bank. It's an entry-level contract role for now. I'm happy that I got into the bank, but I'm still trying for my desired credit analyst role. Interestingly, I had been manifesting a job in a top bank and I did get into this one, though not yet in my dream role. I truly believe my desired role is on its way. I just wanted to thank you so much for all your guidance, affirmations, and content. Your workbook, your videos, and emails have given me clarity and strength in this journey. Also, I saw your quantum meditation guide on Topmate. I would love to get that. I have so many success stories like this where a lot of my clients wanted to get into their dream job. They didn't exactly get the dream company, but they got either a contract role or they got into their dream location or their dream country, or they basically got a promotion in their own company and decided to just continue staying in that company for a longer period of time. There are so many circumstances like this. Yes, they did not actually land their dream job, but they still up-leveled and they are in a position where they're very happy and they're very grateful. That is the power of the law of assumption, the power of affirmation. At the end of the day, you will always manifest the things that are meant for you. The universe is always surprising you in so many ways. You know, like there was one client who wanted to badly get into Amazon and she wanted to move to a specific place in Canada, and she tried so hard to get that job, but she couldn't get that job. She got rejected in Amazon, but she actually landed up in, I think, Best Buy, if I'm not wrong. The location was in Canada, in the dream city that she wanted to get into. I think Toronto was where she wanted to get placed. She got placed in the same city. She's living in the same city. She's working in her new job. It's just that she didn't get into Amazon. But she personally told me that she's so happy because even though she didn't manifest her dream job, she manifested her dream city. That means that is enough evidence and proof that she can actually get the dream job. So a lot of people might take a little more time than others, but it doesn't mean that your dream job or your dream career is not possible for you. It is just that the universe is going to align it to you at the right time. So that was it for today's video, you guys. I hope it wasn't super long, and this is just part one of the success stories. I have so many more success stories that I want to share with you guys, and I will keep doing that in the upcoming videos. So let me know what kind of success stories you want to see next. I hope this inspired you to not give up on your dreams. I hope you persist, and I hope you share your success story with me as soon as possible. I am manifesting in this video that you will share your success story with me. So yeah, this is my email for 1:1 coaching. If you do want to reach out, you can reach out for the coaching or for sharing your success story. Also, I just want to tell you guys that a lot of you have reached out to me recently asking me for free coaching. I cannot do free coaching. It would be very unfair for all the clients who are paying, and also it would be unfair personally for me because I add in a lot of value. I put in a lot of time and energy. Like you've seen in some of the emails, when I do a coaching call, it never ends in like 30 minutes sharp. It usually extends for more than an hour. So when I'm putting in a lot of my time and energy, I just can't give free coaching. If you really want motivation or inspiration, all my YouTube videos are for free. I have affirmation tapes as well. I will link them down in the description box below as well. I will try to put in more videos as much as possible to help you guys out, but I honestly cannot do coaching for free. I'm sorry for that, but I really can't do it for free. So you can check out my course as well as my ebooks on Stan Store. They're in much affordable rate. At least one of them would be useful or in your affordable price point. So make sure to check those out. That was it for today's video, you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Bye.